If you're curious if the peel and stick carpet tiles actually work, watch today's video and we'll give you the answer. Okay, we just purchased Traffic Master peel and stick carpet tiles from Home Depot. We are in our bedroom. We had initially planned on doing some LVP, some of the luxury vinyl planking on it, but our floor is a little imperfect and we were concerned that you could see some of the humps. So we're going to try the peel and stick carpet tiles. We have put underlayment in the room. Right now they are making a chalk line so that we can have a straight line to go with. We are caulking the cracks to make sure that we are as smooth as possible, and we're going to see how this goes. Okay, this is what it looks like. It does have a small amount of foam, I would say not quite a 1/4 inch of foam, but it's a nice low pile. The color we picked is Mesa Boulder. I just chose this one because there's a couple different colors in there to hide life's stains. And the back is just a piece of plastic. One thing we're noticing right from the beginning, the edge of it is not sticky on a lot of the pieces. You pull it back a little further and it is really, really sticky. So we're gonna be doing this together. We're gonna tell you things that we've learned along the way, but we're excited to see what it looks like. Okay, the instructions on the box are really clear on how to start laying it out. But one thing it is also very clear is these arrows, when you're laying them, the arrows need to go all the same direction. So when you cut it, make sure you're cutting it with the arrows in mind. We're gonna make all of ours go north. Two are down. Kind of impressed you can't see the seam. Lining up the square in the corner just took a little time, but so far so good. In a couple different places where the corners were tiny or it's a thin strip, we did end up putting down the adhesive carpet tape. Worked super good. But we haven't seen any places that the full tiles didn't stick, just in the areas where it was just kind of tiny. Okay, it is done. It took 3.5 hours to lay 350 square feet. We have learned that the higher the pile, you will see your joints more because the fibers will get stuck into the one beside it. But right now we are incredibly pleased. There were times that we said, oh my goodness, we love this. And then there's times we said, oh my goodness, what are we doing? Because you can see the joints in different places. But I had mentioned the high pile showing the seams in a couple places, and it's because the fibers are being caught between the two in the adhesive. So we have been taking just a crochet hook. You could take a screwdriver, a shish kebab stick, and we're just running it down the seams. Not all of them are coming up, but it really has made a huge difference. Just pulling up there. Look at the fibers that are coming up, making a huge difference in hiding. Okay, look at that. So much better. Can barely even see where it was. But here it is with our furniture. We absolutely love it. This obviously is our bedroom. We probably would not suggest doing this in a living room because depending on how the light hits it, we are seeing different joints. But if you're wanting to do a room and carpeting is your go-to, this is a great alternative, and we're really pleased with the Traffic Master. So thank you for watching DIY on the House. Please subscribe and check back for more videos.